Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over using PDFs uploaded to D2L for Hypothes.is Assignments. Before beginning, you will want to make sure that your PDF document is properly OCR'd. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. You can OCR PDFs in Adobe Acrobat or by using Hypothes' DocDrop OCR webpage, which will be linked in the description below. In general, using a PDF upload to D2L for a Hypothes assignment is not much different from using one uploaded to Google Drive. Let's get started. First, create a new module and title it Hypothes PDFs. This is where we will upload the PDFs we want to use. Do not hide the module. Doing so will make the PDF unavailable to students when they access the Hypothes assignment. Now we can upload PDFs to this module. To do this, click on New, Upload Files. In the pop-up that appears, click on My Computer. Then either drag and drop PDFs or click on Upload and select the PDFs you want to use. You can upload all the PDFs you are planning on using in your course, provided that they are less than 2 GB in total. Otherwise, you will have to go through this process again. When you are done uploading your PDFs, click on Add. The rest of the Hypothes steps have not changed, but we will go through them quickly. We will also link the steps in the description. To create a Hypothes assignment, find the module that you want to add the assignment to. From there, click on Add Existing Activities, External Learning Tools. A pop-up will appear. Find and click on Create New LTI Link. You may need to scroll down to find this button. The pop-up will update. For the title, type in the title of your assignment. Often instructors will use the title of the book, chapter, or article for this. For the LTI URL, go to the Hypothes wiki page. Jump down to the Create an Assignment link step. Then find and copy to the clipboard the LTI URL. Back in D2L, paste the LTI URL in the appropriate text box. Then click on Create and Insert. This will automatically create a course activity. Click on the activity title. This should open up a new tab. Find and click on Select PDF from D2L. Navigate to the Hypothes PDFs module that we created earlier. Click on Select. Then find and click on the PDF that you want to use. Click on Select. Then click on Continue. You should see your PDF now. Here you can highlight the text and add questions that you want students to answer, or otherwise go back to D2L. If you are having a hard time highlighting certain parts of the text or see an orange banner in the upper left saying the document is not OCR'd, you will need to OCR the document and re-upload it to D2L. You can then change out the document in the Hypothes assignment to the OCR document. The steps for this will be linked in the description. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.